Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm here to show y'all something I never done before, but I saw this. I seen this I seen this recipe on Facebook. Y'all know how much I love Reubens, but y'all know how much I don't like sauerkraut. I do not like $1,000. I do not like Swiss cheese. I'm not really a corned beef fan. This don't have Reuben sandwiches. I mean, this doesn't have rye bread. This actually have crescent rolls. But if you put all this together, Lord, as I told y'all in my previous Reubens, the flavor content works like crazy, y'all. It's absolutely amazing. So that's what I'm making, an old school Reuben sandwich baked. The way they subscribe it, I never did this before, so I'm gonna go by the directions they have written down. I ain't seen no video on it, so I gotta go by the way they have it written. And you use crescent rolls instead of rye bread. You know, most Reubens have rye bread traditionally as the bread. So even have a little mustard in. I never had mustard in my Reuben. I'm gonna do exactly like they did there. It's written down, and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, so I guess we can get started here. Ain't really nothing to prep. Everything, I'm gonna use my casserole dish here. We're gonna do this as said. So, like I say, unroll the you know, I love these crescent rolls. Y'all never had these Pillsbury crescent. Pillsbury, I mean, I wish Pillsbury would sponsor me. Pillsbury has the best products in the world, y'all. Everything they have is great. They pie dough, they pie, everything is amazing. But anyway, according to this recipe, let's move some stuff out the way. Get that out the way, Chef Jeffrey. Make myself some room here, y'all. Okay. We're gonna see how we're gonna do this. According to the video, you're gonna use this as the bottom. That's what we're gonna do. This right here on the bottom, y'all. Just like this. Gonna press all this on the. I'm gonna do a little up at the top. We're gonna do some edges here. I'm gonna make a little edges. It didn't say nothing about that, but I'm gonna use common sense here. There we go. Put some up on the edge there. Come in. Just say roll it out. Just like so, y'all. And this gonna be the bottom of the bread. Make sure you spray they say either spray it or put parchment paper, but I just sprayed mine. Okay, now, something here that's crazy. They say put mustard on the bottom. I never did mustard on Reuben, y'all. So we're gonna do it so. Get my brush here. We're gonna brush this mustard on here. As they say, do it. I'm gonna brush the mustard down the bottom. Telling y'all, I'm excited to taste this. Like I said, I never had mustard on Reubens. Only Thousand Island. So we're gonna see what we come out with, right? A bit more mustard here. I like to try new recipes. Not to get stagnant, right? Not to get too stagnant. Now the next one. Y'all here. Next thing is the meat. Let me make sure, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me make sure I got all this right. Hold on. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're back. All right, y'all. I got my meat here opened up. Yeah, it's the meat next. Or you can use pastrami, y'all. But I'm using sliced corned beef. It's already pre-sliced here. Nicely thinly sliced. I'm gonna kind of layer it like that, y'all. Kind of shingle it a little. I guess you can put it little as much as you want. This is so tender, corned beef as well. So hold on, y'all. Let me get this thing apart here. Oh yeah. I love corned beef, y'all. When it's with something else, but just to eat it by itself, can't handle it. And I understand what they mean with the mustard kinda, because when I eat corned beef, like for the, what's that holiday they have in March? St. Patrick's Day. I like to put mustard on mine, dip it in mustard. So a few more slices on here, y'all. There we go. Now, next, make sure I got enough meat on here, y'all. We're gonna make a big, put one more slice, y'all. Hey, this gonna be a meat lovers. This gonna be a meat lovers Reuben sandwich, right? All right, there we go. There we go. All right, now it said next is the Swiss cheese. Oh no, the Swiss cheese fan. I think Swiss cheese by itself is so bland. We're gonna put some Swiss cheese on here. As so. Y'all know, see where I'm headed, huh? See where I'm headed with this thing. There we go. Y'all know what? We going extra cheesy on this thing. Like I said, it ain't easy being cheesy, right? Okay, next is the sauerkraut. Get this thing open, y'all. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take the sauerkraut, kind of pour it in here and there we go. That way I can evenly distribute it better. Okay, y'all. Kind of break it up there a little. Use my hands here. Use the best tools God gave you. Your hands, right? Okay, kind of break that sauerkraut up a little. Okay. We'll put our sauerkraut in here, kind of evenly distribute it across. Alrighty. Look at that, y'all. Definitely gonna pull a bit more on that. You definitely want to make sure, it's common sense tell you, make sure it's evenly distributed. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that, y'all. I think that's enough sauerkraut right there. I want to, when you bite into it, you want a piece of all that off there. Why I'm wasting it for? You want to make sure you get an even bite of sauerkraut. All right. Now that's done. Now last is the Thousand Island. Let me get my brush here, y'all. One stop. I want to brush that Thousand Island evenly over the top. Okay. And then you go with the Thousand Island, y'all. And I hope it's good. I saw it, if you know the pictures. Sometimes they Photoshop this stuff, make it look better than. Y'all know I love me a juicy Reuben. I don't like no dry Reuben sandwich. There we go. How easy is that, huh? Okay, now we're gonna go back with another. See, I only need 2 of these. I thought I don't need more. And they said 2 in the recipe, but I didn't believe it. That's all you need is 2. All right, let me melt this butter right quick, y'all. We're gonna brush it with butter here in a second. Once I get this thing on the top, let's open this one up. Alrighty. butter melted yet? All right, we got our butter, because we're going to brush the butter on top after we get our last of the rolls on top. And I'm wondering, y'all, you know, which I didn't do this, but I'm always thinking how to make stuff better. You know, they make the Hawaiian rolls. Pillsbury, they make the Hawaiian crescents as well. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, we're gonna lay that on top of there. Lay this one on top of there. This one act crazy. I don't know what's going on with this one. There we go. That one kind of act crazy on me. And put this one on here and kind of mash it together here, y'all. You definitely don't want it to leak on you. I guess it depends on the dough, right? Depends on the dough. All right, look at that, y'all. I already know it's gonna kind of leak through there, but hope it don't leak as much. Now I got my oven 375 degrees. Push that down in there. Okay, we're gonna brush it with a little butter. And that's all she wrote. 350 degrees. They say about 20 minutes. You know, until it's nice and brown, everything's hot inside. And then we'll take it out. But I'm excited, y'all. Like I said, never made this before, but I love me some Reuben. So anyway, 375 degrees, about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. See what it look like. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Nice and bubbly. And this thing is definitely hot, y'all. So I'm gonna let this cool at least 15, 20 minutes, y'all. And it took exactly, let's see, it took exactly 18 minutes for this to get nice golden brown like you want it right there on the top. Bubbly in there. I can see that cheese melted on the other side. So we're gonna step off, let this cool a little. I'm gonna cut me a, should I just cut a whole piece like that, y'all? How should I do it? Should I be greedy and just cut a whole, I don't know, I'll see how I do this, y'all. But that look like a whole sandwich right there, right? So anyway, I'll figure out how I'm gonna do that. I might cut this little piece here and taste it. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. You'll know when I get back in. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. I got me my sweet pickles on there, a little old school potato salad. Got a little sandwich on there. I definitely can't pick this up with my hand, y'all. Only thing I think I'd do differently, which I'd add more meat to this than what I did. But that's the only thing I think I would do differently for this. But anyway, nice golden brown color. But like I say, y'all, this is one you can't really pick up. That's why it's called a bake. You're gonna eat it, keep it classy. You're gonna keep it classy, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Got the cheese melted in there. It falling out on my floor, going in. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. This is good. Oh. Oh. What taste like? Oh man. The crescent roll works so well with this. Eventually, I'll be able to pick it up once it's cool, but look at that. Nice golden brown on the bottom. You can see the meat in there. The cheese, sauerkraut going in. Wow. If you like Reuben sandwiches, you're gonna like this and even more. At least I like it more because of the crescent rolls. Oh my God. It takes it over the top, y'all. This is my lunch today. Well, that ain't gonna be enough. I'm gonna eat another slice of that sandwich. Wow. That's so good. But anyway, I just want to show y'all a new recipe that I saw online. Never made it before. Like I said, if I make it again, I'm gonna put more meat in there than I did, which is gonna cause it to make it a little higher. But other than that, hey, it's all good. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on the social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024, stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.